For years, the three-row luxury SUV segment has had a quiet, looming question. When is Lexus finally going to go all-in on electric? We've seen the hybrids, we've seen the RZ, but the family-sized, long-range flagship has been the missing piece of the puzzle. Well, the wait is officially over. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2027 Lexus TZ. Revealed just days ago in Plano, Texas, this is Lexus' first-ever dedicated three-row all-electric SUV. It's bigger than the RX, more advanced than the TX, and it's aiming directly for the throat of the Kia EV9 and the Volvo X90. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about this ultra-luxury powerhouse, from its 300-mile range to its wild, fake V10 party trick. Lexus is calling the TZ's design elegant with an edgy touch, and looking at it, they aren't wrong. At 200.8 inches long, it has a massive presence, yet it manages a remarkably low drag coefficient of just 0.27. For a boxy three-row SUV, that is engineering wizardry. Up front, the signature Lexus spindle has evolved into a seamless, illuminated spindle body for the EV era. You'll notice the flush door handles and aerodynamic side mirrors that help slice through the wind to preserve every mile of range. One of the standout reveal features is the new Sonic Telus paint, a deep, earthy khaki green that uses Lexus Sonic technology to create incredible depth and shading. It sits on bold 20 or 22-inch aero wheels, giving it a stance that says luxury lounge rather than rugged off-roader. It's sleek, it's elongated, and it marks a clear departure from the aggressive grilles of the past. Step inside, and you'll find the driving lounge concept in full effect. Unlike the 7 or 8-seat layouts we see in the TX, the TZ is debuting as a dedicated 6-seater. This allows for massive individual captain's chairs in the second row, ensuring everyone in the back gets the VIP treatment. The centerpiece of the cabin is the largest panoramic glass roof ever fitted to a Lexus, extending over all 3 rows to create an incredibly airy, open atmosphere. But it's the materials that really tell the story. Lexus is introducing forged bamboo interior surfaces, a sustainable, high-tech twist on traditional wood trim that looks absolutely bespoke. Technology-wise, the TZ is the first to run the all-new Aaron software platform. This is Lexus Next-Gen OS, designed to be faster, more intuitive, and fully capable of over-the-air updates. And for the parents out there, even with the third row in place, you still get a respectable 13.8 cubic feet of cargo space, enough for a solid grocery run or a few carry-ons. Now, let's talk power. At launch, the TZ will be offered primarily as a dual-motor setup featuring Lexus Evolved Direct 4 all-wheel drive. This system constantly shifts torque between the front and rear axles to keep the body flat and the tires biting. You're looking at roughly 402 combined horsepower and a 0-60 mph time of just 5.1 seconds. That is shockingly fast for a vehicle that weighs nearly 5,800 pounds. But the real magic is in the handling. The TZ comes with available dynamic rear steering, or DRS. This allows the rear wheels to turn up to 4 degrees, shrinking the turning circle in parking lots and making this massive SUV feel like a compact car through tight corners. Beneath the floor, you have a choice of 2 battery packs. The standard range uses a 77 kWh unit, but most buyers will opt for the 96 kWh long-range battery. Lexus is targeting an EPA-estimated 300 miles of range on the select grades. Charging is handled via a 150 kW peak rate, which can take the TZ from 10 to 80% in about 35 minutes. And for North American buyers, great news. The TZ will ship with a native NACS, Tesla-style, port, giving you access to the supercharger network right out of the box. But we have to talk about the party trick that everyone is buzzing about. Lexus has included a performance sound synthesizer that mimics the legendary 1LRGUE V10 from the LFA. When you're in Sport Plus mode, the cabin fills with that iconic high-pitched mechanical scream that matches your throttle input. Is it a bit gimmicky? Maybe. But for a brand known for being too quiet, it's a hilarious and welcome nod to their racing heritage. The 2027 Lexus TZ is more than just a new model. It's a statement. It's built on the same architecture that will underpin the upcoming Toyota Highlander EV and the Subaru Getaway, but Lexus has clearly elevated the experience to justify its luxury badge. Expect pricing to start in the $80,000 range, with fully loaded TZ 550e models likely touching the six-figure mark. Production is slated to begin at Toyota's Georgetown, Kentucky plant later this year, with the first units hitting showroom floors in late 2026. Lexus has finally entered the three-row EV chat, and they've brought a lounge on wheels to the party. Is this enough to make you skip the Rivian or the Volvo?